Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Playing 101 and today we'll be reviewing the Vitade or Vitade 960A webcam. So what's special about this webcam is the fact that it has a ring light, and as you guys can tell right now, I totally need that because I'm having issues with my lights. Well, first of all, I don't have enough lights. And the second thing is, as you guys can tell, you see that light coming from the ceiling over there going down? That's like light bleeding. And I cannot fix that. If I turn the light off, what happens is it gets too dark and, it's a big issue for me. So I just bought this. We're going to do an unboxing first and then we will review the actual thing. But before doing the unboxing, let's just take a look at the box and see what's inside. The first thing that I noticed is the fact that, well, this is a very generic box. And it works on Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS. That's actually kind of impressive. Android, so you can plug it into your Android phones, and I don't know why you do that. Maybe if you have a tablet, you could try that. That would work. Linux operating system, Ubuntu, Xbox One. I was gonna say I'm actually surprised you didn't mention PlayStation 4, but you cannot actually play it on it. I'll use it on PlayStation 4 so that they can sell their own webcams. You can use it in OBS, which is exactly what I'm using to record this video right now. YouTube, Mixer, XSplit, Xbox One, Facebook Live, FaceTime, Skype, Hangouts, which is Google Hangouts, and Life-size. I don't know what Life-size is. Doesn't really matter. We're just gonna take a quick look at the specs. Let me just put this in focus so you guys can read this. Okay. If you don't know how to use warranty, this is important. So in terms of warranty, you get a 1-year limited warranty for hardware, which is cool. And this is very strange to me because look at this. It has a sticker that says Vitade or Vitade, whatever the hell that is, HD 960. So, I mean, this is already sketchy to me. But I spent countless hours on Amazon trying to see what webcam would work best for me. And, there's a couple of them. There's quite a few webcams out there. You can get webcams without string lights for $17, $20, but I paid $58.99 for this. So let's see if it's actually worth it, or maybe I should just get one of those other webcams that are much cheaper, and maybe I should just buy my light separately. So this webcam comes with the packaging, of course, a user manual that nobody uses, well, at least I never use those, and the webcam itself. And the webcam, I think, works. Yeah, this looks like a USB 2 cable. So you can just plug this into your laptop or, Chromebook or whatever, and Mac OS and use it. This is what it looks like. Looks pretty cool. I don't know how much light this ring is going to provide me with, but I need a significant amount of light in order to be able to live stream to my gameplay channel. Alright, so let's give this a test run and see if it's actually worth $58.99. Alright, so let's do this. Okay then, so let's just test this out. Let's see what the quality of the webcam is. I'm actually quite curious to see. Oh, okay, so this is a plug-and-play webcam. Windows should automatically start downloading this. We should be able to just pair it. And I'm going to leave both webcams on, meaning you guys will be able to tell the difference. Oh, so the light is working. All you have to do is tap on this. Oh. And there's like a couple of different settings. This seems pretty bright, but is it bright enough? I genuinely don't think so. I'm going to turn the brightness to max. And I'm gonna lower this a little bit. Not sure if it's gonna be too much. And let us set it up. Gonna add a second webcam. Oh, there you go. You guys see the difference? It's actually huge. I have to say, the difference is massive. So I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna move this over here. And I'm gonna make this bigger. About the same size as that one. Oh, okay. So as you guys can tell, the background is hidden. And now I am going to do some magic. I'm going to add a filter, a chroma key filter to this. And it should be great. Well, it's not perfect. I have to move things around, you know, make it look nicer and all that. But you guys can tell the difference. Well, the first camera or webcam is frozen. Let me just lock this. And you guys can see. Let me go back to my first webcam. What up? No, that's not this one. I can actually turn that one off. My first webcam. Let's make some changes. Okay. So you guys can tell the difference between the two webcams. I know that one is higher and the other one is lower. I actually look a little red on the new cam, but there's probably like settings that I can change and, you know, like mess around with it. But the difference is already there. Like, it looks a heck of a lot better already. You know what? Since I'm doing a video on this, let me just try and change some settings. Okay, cool. Now let's change this again. Let's pick that. Okay, so that changes things, and things are a lot better, as you guys can tell. Okay, and looking at both cameras, you guys can tell the difference. This is way better. Oh, there's some weird things happening here. It's too bright, isn't it? Oh, this is actually cool. This reminds me of Cyberpunk. Johnny Silverhand's hand. Right, okay, so this camera is a lot better than this one. And of course, I'm going to make some changes to that one so that it doesn't give me the Johnny Silverhand hand, which, although is pretty dope, it doesn't work in this case. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching my review and unboxing for the, what is this called again? The Vitade HD 960. This is Playing 101. Don't forget, I make gameplays for PlayStation 5. And I would really appreciate it if you guys could check out my gameplays, leave me a comment, and, you know, like, subscribe to my channel to support me so that I can make more videos like this one for you guys, or better. You know, I'm always constantly trying to improve by buying new equipment, and yeah, I really do appreciate all the support that you guys give me. So thank you, thank you, thank you again. Yep, so that's pretty much it. Take care, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.